You want to come in, Joy? Hold on a minute. You need to get your shirt on first. Here's Blaze. There's Mr. Blaze with little Bambi. And here's the rest of the bunch. Gracie is such a good babysitter. Hello, Bambi. Hello, Bunny. Hello, Bunny girl. Your auntie is being a good babysitter, isn't she? There's Mr. Blaze. There's Mr. Blaze. Oh, what are you girls up to? What are you girls up to now? Come on, Bambi. Come on, Bambi. You can do it. There goes Blossom. Everybody's attacking Gracie. Hi, buddy boy. Hi, buddy boy. Hi, buddy boy. You're a nice boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. Hello, Blaze. What are you doing with that bottle, Bambi? Bambi's got the big bottle. They all decided they want the big bottle. Look at those two go. Come on, kids. What's up?